Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many PostgreSQL users encounter when working with custom SQL functions. The problem arises when we expect a specific row estimate to be used in query plans, but instead, it falls back to a default value, causing some confusion in our results. Now let's talk about the solution to this issue. The key lies in understanding the concept of inlining, which comes into play when using scalar and table functions. In our case, calling the table function in a particular way triggers the inlining process, leading to the replacement of the custom function with its internal counterpart. As a result, the planner only considers the estimates attached to the internal function, disregarding the estimates set for the wrapper function. In closing, we've uncovered the mystery behind the row estimate discrepancy in PostgreSQL query plans. Remember, understanding how inlining works can help you interpret and optimize your queries effectively. If you enjoyed this explanation, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy querying!